boys and girls. So today we are doing expanded form. So this is kind of just the opposite of what we've been doing last week, where we took the tens and ones and we just had to write the number. This time you get the number and you have to do the tens plus the ones. So when I have the number 58, the way that I know how to do the expanded form is that I say 50 and then I say 8. So I'm going to put on my paper 50 plus 8. So on the next one, I have 42. So then I do the tens plus the ones. So there's 40 and 2. So it's just a pattern just like this. So on the next one, I say 30 and 4. So I have 30 and 4. That makes 34. Okay, tell me what this number is. Yeah, it's 72. So how would I write the expanded form for 72? I would write 70 plus 2. So once we understand the pattern, it's pretty easy. So on 23, I have 2 tens, which is 20 plus 3. But if you just listen to the way that you say the number, it makes it really easy to do the expanded form. So tell me what this number is, 89. We're going to do 80 plus 9, okay? Tell me this next number. What is it? 31. Very good. So I say 31. 30 plus 1 equals 31. Now let's do the next number. What's this number? 62. So I'm going to write 62. Very good. Okay, we have just a few more. Let's do this one. What number is that? Yeah, it's 43. Nice job. Okay. This one's a little bit harder because we say 17. So we put 10 because there's a 1 in the tens place and a 7. 10 plus 7. Good. Okay, what number is this? It's 80. Are there any ones that we need to add? Nope. So we just put 0. Good. Okay, next one, 78. 70 plus 8. Now let's do this one. Tell me what this number is. It's 52. So I say we write 50 plus 2. And one more. What number is this? 24 is 24. Good. So if you were able to do all of those, give yourself a smiley face and let's turn it into your teacher. Onto the back. So these are addition facts plus 7. So we're getting into a little bit harder numbers. So just go ahead and do, like, you can do dots. You can look for doubles, near doubles, plus ones, plus zeros. So if I want to do 4 dots here, then I just count up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this one's near doubles. It's 13. This one, if it was 10 plus 7, it would be 17, but it's 9, so that's 1 less, so it is 16. So go ahead and work on these and finish this side. And